I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you compare two niche ideas if one has better views and the other looks easier to produce every week? My short answer, don't choose the niche with the highest ceiling. Choose the niche with the best demand to friction ratio. Here's the framework. Score each niche out of 10 on 2 buckets. First, demand. Can you find at least 20 solid video ideas? Are there proven titles, topics, or formats already getting attention? And does the topic refresh, or do you run out of ideas fast? Second, production friction. How hard is it to research, script, film, edit, and thumbnail one video every single week? Be honest here, a niche can look exciting until every upload takes 14 hours. Now use this decision rule. For beginners, low friction usually beats higher demand unless the higher demand niche is dramatically better. If one niche gets slightly more views but is twice as hard to make, that's usually a bad trade. What you want is a niche you can survive for 12 weeks straight. A simple test. Write 5 video ideas for each niche, then estimate the real production time for each one. The winner is the niche with enough demand and the lowest repeatable effort. If you want to map that out cleanly, Satura is useful as the workflow layer for comparing ideas, scripting, and seeing what actually stays sustainable. For most beginners, consistency compounds faster than ambition. Pick the niche you can keep shipping.